Welcome to our video on making money with crypto airdrops. If you are looking for a way to earn some extra money in the cryptocurrency market, then crypto airdrops might be the way to go. Essentially, crypto airdrops are free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens to a large number of wallet addresses. The idea behind crypto airdrops is to promote a new cryptocurrency project by giving away free tokens to potential users. In order to participate in a crypto airdrop, you typically need to follow the project on social media, join their Telegram group, and complete some simple tasks. Once you have completed these tasks, you will be eligible to receive free cryptocurrency tokens. The value of these tokens can fluctuate over time, but if the project is successful, the tokens can increase in value, earning you a significant profit. We will explore the benefits and risks of crypto airdrops and provide you with tips on how to maximize your earnings. So, let's get started and learn more about crypto airdrops and how to make money with them.